Hi everyone, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do another plan with me in my catch-all planner. This is a 7x9 Avalon Ninth planner. I am using this kit called, I think it's called Hello Spring by Nerds the Word. I think it's adorable, as are all of her kits. I've got these two pages here, the full boxes and the washi. And I'm gonna pull in some date covers and glitter headers that I made that sort of match the colors. They're close enough that I think it will work just fine. So I am going to throw a base down here, speed through that, and then we'll come back to plan together.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light.
All right, I am back. Here is our base spread. I have printed these extra stickers with the coordinating colors. I still have a few left here. And then I also have the TPC Nation version of this kit. And I'm probably going to pull in some of the half boxes because I don't usually use them in the TPC spread. But I will use them in here. So let's just get started, I guess. We have just a few things to mark this week, really. There's not that much stuff because it is the week after like a sale. TPC ends on Monday. So my week will be primarily orders, which I'm hoping to have done. I think I'll have done by Wednesday this week. And then Friday is Good Friday, and then Sunday obviously is Easter Sunday. So there's not tons going on. My husband has an extra day off, which is nice. So yeah, that's where we land this week. So I am going to put his work stickers, or stickers for his work schedule rather, on each day. And I usually pop those at the top just so they're out of the way a little bit. And I did only print, I printed 5 this week, not intending to use them on his days off, but I will put one on Friday to mark that he is off that day, because it is not a normal day off, obviously. Friday and Saturday. So he works Friday, is off Friday, works Saturday, and then off Sunday, Monday the following week. So it's odd work schedule, but that is how things go on holiday weeks when often when your schedule is Tuesday to Saturday. So that is that. What did I just think that I needed to grab though? Date dots. I literally sat here for like a full minute wondering what the heck I had intended to pull. Date dots. So let's actually grab them from the TPC Nation version of the kit because I'm not using this kit this week in my social media planner. So I can pillage some date dots from it. And why not, right? Whoops. Them all in the wrong order on my hand, just to confuse me more. What's the last? The 17th. Okay, pop that over there. So 12, 13. Originally, I was just not gonna put date dots down in this spread because I don't always. Typically, I know what day it is, but I was looking at this spread and thinking I don't even know what the dates are in April. So let's put them down so that we know what days we're actually planning, right? Okay. We can do our day-to-day now, day by day, whatever we want to call it. So Monday, literally there are only two things to mark. One is that it is a shipping day, and the other is that it is the last day of TPC. So let's put a box down for TPC, and then let's grab, what color, the purple one, and pop that down to mark that it is a shipping day. And that is it. I'm telling you, the days are so exciting right now. Don't be too jealous, really. Okay, Tuesday is payday. So let's mark that. That is an exciting day of the week. Maybe put a sticker down semi-straight. Not likely. And then in the evening is when I was going to grab one of these half boxes to mark House Church Zoom. So let's do, how about the really cute squiggly lines, little loopies, very cute. And we will pop that right. Maybe I'll move it up a bit. It's not like I have to leave space for tons of other things. Over the course of the week, I do sometimes fill in some of this. Either something pops up or I've forgotten to put it down, or I'll drop in a couple to-dos, like that kind of thing. But there is still plenty of room for that because we have determined what a non-exciting week this is. Okay, Wednesday, also just two things to mark. One is that it is a shipping day again, and the other is that I think Chloe will go to her mom's that day. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna pop it in here anyway, and I can always pop it back out and move it if that changes. And then shipping day we will mark in pink. Right there. Okay. Thursday is a payday. Friday would be the payday, but it is a holiday, so the pay will come on Thursday. And that's literally it. Not to mark anything else right now. And then Friday we do have a couple things. So one thing we have, so I want to mark down that it's Good Friday. So let's put a box down for that. And there is, okay, let me think about how I'm going to do this. I also have a friend's birthday that I want to mark down on Friday. So let's pull that box for that. And then there will be a Good Friday church service, which I won't attend in person. I haven't. Maybe not green. I haven't attended church in person in years. But I may watch it online because I do usually, it's mostly a music service for usually anyway, so I assume it will be for this as well. And the music is usually really pretty. So mark that. And then we have a bill due that day. So I will grab the bill due sticker and I'm just gonna pop that right there. Okay, Saturday, nothing. And then Sunday's Easter Sunday. So we'll mark that. And then I think that's gonna be it. And Tink has a lot to say about that under my desk right now, snoring away. Actually, that might be Dottie. Okay. There we go. Hopefully that was still in frame. So honestly, I think we're done. Takes me longer to put the base down than it does to actually plan the week, which I don't know what that says about my week, but there you go. That's just the way it is, I guess. So that is my catch-all planner for the week of April 11th through the 17th. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future content. Sherry's shop will be linked down below. And come check us out over on Facebook. The link to that is also down below. I will see you all again soon. Bye, friends.
Just